In today's video, I want to talk about how we open up your chest to make your pectus look less noticeable with some stretches and some exercises. So guys, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know when I'm saying fix pectus, it's not miraculously making your chest flat. But a big component of my training is actually opening up the chest through opening up and loosening your T-spine, your chest muscles, because typically they are tight when you have pectus, and also they're typically tight with modern sedentary lifestyle habits, sitting at a desk, at a computer, driving, all these things, pulling us, they're creating tightness in these areas. And when these areas are tight, that's what's rounding you like that and making your pectus indent appear so much deeper. We want to open it up, stretch and loosen the chest. We want to stretch and open up the T-spine, get flexible in our thoracic. Okay, and so with these exercises in the program, in the overall program, you can really do that. But in today's video, I wanted to highlight 3 exercises that I give to my clients as part of their stretching recovery protocol in the program. I have a whole variety of different exercises that I give, but these are 3 great ones that I wanted to give to you guys on the YouTube. So check them out. Firstly, we're going to start with just a wall chest stretch. Super simple, okay? So just walking back to this wall. I'm going to put my hand, I'm stretching my right chest, whichever hand's back is the chest you're stretching, and I'm going to rotate my hand out like that. It's going to engage the chest more. And then I'm just going to try and fight the rotation of my hand with my body and try and face the camera in this example as much as I can. And I'm really feeling that opening and stretching my chest. My chest is pretty sore after a workout the other day, so it feels really nice. And guys, when you do that, you're really going to feel it. You probably will, especially if you're doing the training and we're training our chest. And loosening the chest is a big part. We want to train the chest, but we want to make sure we're not making it just tight and getting all rounded. You see some of those bodybuilder guys where all they do is just train chest and then they end up like that. And that's what happens when people go into a program without a program. Everyone wants to train chest. Everyone wants big chest, especially if you got pectus, so same thing on the other side. Really rotating and then fighting that rotation. Just like that. Okay, so that's the wall chest stretch. Another great stretch is the kneeling box stretch, okay? In this example, I'll just show you the video from my exercise tutorial on the app of me doing it, but you're just trying to really get deep into the stretch with a nice straight back, opening up that thoracic, okay? A big part of this is also trying to loosen the lats too to really get in that better position. So that's the kneeling box chest stretch, a great stretch. And then lastly, the other exercise is just getting a trigger ball on your chest, as you can see in this video overlay too, okay? Or self-massage or go-getter massage, loosen up those pecs, loosen up those fibers. That's gonna help as well, okay? Now, as I said before, obviously there's a variety of exercises, but these are 3 great ones that are super simple, super easy for you to do. All we need is a chair, a wall, and a little trigger ball, or even your own hand just to self-massage yourself, okay? So these are 3 ones to start implementing, not to get information overload. If you want all the program, just so you can just tick the box, you can sign up to coaching. There are some spots available. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. Really, you've got to start focusing on opening up your chest. It's important. It's going to make a significant difference to how prominent your pectus is. And then when you combine that with a lean muscular physique, your pectus is going to be a lot less noticeable. Now guys, in terms of these exercises, how often you should do it? Daily. I have my clients stretching daily. Now, the good thing about stretching compared to working out is the novelty doesn't really, with working out, I always change the exercises after a 5-week period of training. I have my programs in 5-week phases. A few reasons for this. For optimal training, you don't just want to do the same things. You want to change it up, advance the program, change the exercises, apply progression on new exercises. It helps you grow muscle better. With stretching, it doesn't really matter. You just want to stretch consistently and you want to apply progression. You want to get deeper into these stretches. So when we're doing these stretches, you want to focus on getting deeper into those positions, working through a deeper range, more rotation in the wall chest stretch, a deeper position in the kneeling box stretch. And then also you can just add additional time spent stretching. That's going to only help you get even more flexible and mobile and loosen up those thigh muscles more. So, typically when I'm programming it for the clients, I have a varied rep range. A varied rep range and set time, because it doesn't have to be 3 sets of 1 minute or something, you know what I mean? It's really just get into those positions, and the longer you hold it, the better. okay? But at least, you know, a minute each side on the wall chest stretch a day, and a minute on the kneeling box stretch, at least, minimum. The longer the better, as I said before, and you know, a minute's worth of massage, at least. But the more time you put into that, the more result you're going to get. The more you're going to loosen your muscles, the more you're going to improve your posture. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next one.